Living Classroom in the Los Altos School District is a program that we're really proud of. We get the kids outside learning in living laboratories, which are our edible and native plant gardens. We're connecting them with real-world relevant activities in those gardens that tie into the science, math, and social studies curriculum.
The kids love it because they're outside and it's very hands-on. And their sense of wonder and the questioning that they have because it's happening right in front of them is enhanced, I think. For example, 6th graders might plant wheat early in the fall and then harvest it later and make bread out of it. But that aligns perfectly with their ancient Egypt social studies unit, which talks about the great need to grow food for great civilizations to sustain themselves.
It looks like a bunch of seeds inside.
They'll teach you about seeds, but they would include counting of the seeds, weighting of the seeds, right? So in connection with what they're learning in the math in the classroom.
And draw the lines of symmetry if there are any.
In the symmetry lesson, they're cutting fruit, looking for both line and rotational symmetry inside fruit cut in different angles. And then they go to the garden and look for items in the garden that have symmetry or asymmetry, and they draw what they see.
Look, there's water.
Sometimes they grow, other times you figure out you need a bit more water or a bit more soil. You always learn new things each time you do something in science.
Wow.
Our Living Classroom program brings the outside inside for learning. It provides real-world examples in science, in math, and social studies for our students. So when they're out on their campus, in the garden, or walking around, they can think about connecting those science, math, or social studies skills to the world that they see.